what you're going to get in, and this sounds awful, the Rosenberg Institute that the Nazis wanted, they, fortunately, they're not going to have that. And there's a very large and vibrant Jewish population in the world, probably larger now than it was before the Holocaust. We've just got there now. But with regard to Yiddish, I think Yiddish is going to be a cultural museum piece. And even, don't get me wrong, I think what you're doing is marvellous and all the centre. But what you're actually not doing, and I don't know whether you want to get involved in that, is you're not creating new Yiddish stuff. Do you understand what I mean? So you're not getting the Shalom Aleichems and the Shalom Ashers and the Peretzes and the singers who are actually writing in Yiddish. What you're doing is recording what's already been done. And to keep it living and vibrant, you've actually got to move that one step further. And I don't know if that's possible. And actually start writing in it, start doing these sort of things. Maybe actually, to be fair to him, my parents used to often criticize him. Lund is doing that because he's writing about current affairs, in Yiddish. But unless you do that, and unless you get people who actually go on and do this, and even at Shalom Aleichem, till 12-year-olds, kids are learning a reasonable amount of Yiddish, but they're not doing it any later. And they're certainly not going home and talking about it. And they're not writing about Yiddish. They're not conversing about what's going on. It's going to be difficult. And the answers I would get is, if you've got the funding, fund people, to go the next step into actually writing Yiddish. Have a Jewish poetry prize each year. Have a Jewish novel prize. Most of that, from what I notice, and I may be wrong, if I look about, all the academics in Yiddish, they are academics who are studying Yiddish, not who are producing in Yiddish.